What's up everybody, it's Doss. Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a new customer right here. 2020 Silverado High Country, obviously, but it doesn't have the High Country wheels. It's got the LTZ wheels. What's going on there? Yes, I know about Chevy, even though Chevy's not my brand. Now, anyway, as you can see, it's not too bad in here, but we're gonna go ahead and get started because, we got some stuff in the back right here. We're gonna go ahead and get started because homie's doing some peeking behind the blinds action. It's a sort of a dirty truck, so let's see what we can turn this thing into. Gonna get some before and after shots as you're seeing right now on the screen. And yeah, so let's do it. Quick tip about tires. When I shine my tires, I normally have to roll the vehicle back because I can't really reach the very bottom. Like sometimes you'll see what I'm talking about if I use this nice McGuire's tire gel. This is the tire shine I was telling you guys that does flick off very easily. But if you scrub it on there enough, you have less polka dots when you can drive. You'll know what I'm talking about when you look at that. Just look at how good this looks. Anyway, back to the tire shine. When I shine my tires, I normally have to roll the vehicle back a little bit because I can't get all the way underneath, so it's not an even coat of tire shine around the rim of the tire. Also, I love the bronze accents on the grill. It looks pretty cool. I took shining to a whole different level. Went ahead and shined the tires, every single plastic piece. Of course, it's a GM product, so you got all kinds of plastic surrounded, even the running boards right there. Then the inside, boom, took the mats out right here and shined them up. As you can see, it looks really good. Even the pedals and all that stuff inside of the seat, and even the door jambs, of course, all up in there and stuff like that. And then we go to the back. I used to work at a GMC dealership. I know how hard it is to take these back floor mats out, so I didn't do that. I just left them in here and went ahead and cleaned them like that. But you can see they look perfect now. You know, I don't want to take those mats out. Man, they're complicated. Put back in really hard. So boom, there you go right there. Even the sunroof right there, as you can see, like I missed a spot right here. I actually re-washed it because I didn't like the way it turned out after the first wash. So boom, there you go. This time featuring a 2020 Silverado High Country with LTZ wheels for whatever reason. You know, keep this channel posted. Look at that. Dang, not bad right there. Ooh, look at that right there. Look at that. All right. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. A different vehicle to look at for this video, so might have to do a little bit more cleaning up underneath there with the carpet liner, but yeah, it's all good to go. Even the mirrors, I shine the mirrors up a little bit. See the plastic around there, and the wheels are spotless and everything like that. The interior is good to go. I just didn't do the bed of the truck because I'm not really sure what to use on the spray and bed liner like that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it.